Meaning of editorialize.
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 Editorialize. The term editorialize refers to the act of expressing personal opinions or biases in a news article, rather than reporting objective facts. It can involve the inclusion of personal interpretations, judgments, or recommendations. This type of writing is commonly found in editorial pieces or opinion articles, where the author's perspective is explicitly stated. Editorializing can be problematic, as it blurs the line between factual reporting and opinion-based commentary, potentially leading readers to confusion or misunderstanding. To ensure journalistic integrity, writers should strive to maintain objectivity and avoid overtly editorializing their content.